Hey guys, this is part 7 of the Mario Kart or Cat or okay. Let's see about that. Wait, I'm just sitting on my bed right here. Okay, some blocks right here. Okay, how quickly is Penguin Mario? And this is Daisy Cup. And I'm just doing the first of my record results. That is good. So, how about the shop? I got 50 tokens, but I want to keep them though. Okay, so let's try Penguin Mario right now. I hope it will be good, guys. I hope I can complete. Oh no. But this is good that we have a third failure because I don't have that, but this is safe. I have this is safe. I have a quick play like this. Then I can have third failures. Then maybe I can complete. Uh-oh. No. Okay, come on. Oh no. No, you can't do this. Yes, I did that. Oh my gosh. I can't. I thought I can't. Oh, wait. I can't complete this one. Just 10,000 points. Okay. Code Circus. I'll use Metal Mario because I like him too. And he's good. I like Metal Mario so much actually too. Yes. You know why I lose in the Peach versus Bowser Door? Because Bowser Gym has more coin box characters. I like this music actually. Oh my gosh, we have a fever! Yay! I just got a fever, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna just hit my red shell. But when do I get a red shell to hit someone actually? Okay. Don't get closer to hit me. I'm almost there. Yes, good guys. We got 10,000. Can we complete? Maybe yes or no? Yes, I know that. Maybe it's yes. Yes, we complete. Okay, 6 stars. Further black. We can just use further black. Maybe this one. Okay. Let's see if we can do this, guys. I know we can do this. Today I'm playing so fast. Please don't follow me, Daisy. Sorry, I'm a sleepy. Okay, then we'll get more coins right here. Okay. Yay, guys, we're doing a great job. Yeah. Okay. We didn't stop our combo too. Yeah. Non-stop combo. Yes, we got 13,520. Okay. Yes, 5 stars. Guys, we did have something. Of course, is this one. Yeah. Got 1,000 coins and a glider ticket. Super. Okay, glider challenge. Use Donkey Kong to do it. Can we do it, guys? I hope we can. This Koopa beach is so beautiful because there's a Koopa over there. Okay, we can fly higher and higher. Yeah. Yay, guys. Guys, we did it. Okay, we complete 2. And let's get our tour gifts. Yay, we can get 1,000 coins and there are 38 more. 38. If I complete those of them. 18. 18 plus 18 is 36, so I can just get more to... Okay. Guys, we can buy this one. I want it. Okay. Please unlock ticket. I want it. I want to lock one. What is a character? What are you doing? Okay, and this one. And I don't have enough coins to buy this one, but never mind. It's just a card ticket. And yeah. So guys, if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and I hope you cheer me up to get these first place gifts, so they will be good. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye.